How to change proxy port number on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change proxy port number on Twitter. First thing we're gonna do is go to Twitter and then go here and now click this one, settings and privacy, and then go down and you will find this one here, proxy. Just click on it. And now if you want to change proxy ports, you will need to turn this one on and then just click on it and type your ports here and then just click OK, and as you see, proxy port has been added. And that's how manage proxy port on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.